Stonk Journal Honest Review. I'm going to tell you if Stonk Journal is actually worth it and how to use it right. Stonk Journal is a modern AI powered trading journal made for traders who want to seriously track their performance. It supports stocks, crypto, and options, and you can either manually input trades or sync them directly from your broker. Once you're in, it breaks everything down: win rate, RR, trade tags, emotions, setups, and even charts your data. You can review streaks, build discipline, and actually learn what's working. To use it, log your trades, tag your strategy, reflect on your mindset, and review the dashboard. The clean UI and smart stats make it easy to stay consistent. If you want to stop guessing and start growing as a trader, Stonk Journal is worth checking out.